السلام عليكم. درسنا اليوم راح يكون vocabularies part 3. حنحكي بعض مفردات، كل مفردة حنقول معناها وجملة عليها. skyscraper ناطحات سحاب. skyscraper I lived in skyscraper. social media تواصل اجتماعي أو مواقع التواصل الاجتماعي. social media she's active on social media. murderer بمعنى قاتل أو بتجي بمعنى سفاح أو سفاك. murderer. the police arrested the murderer. equipment معدات. we have prepared the equipment to the party. surprise مفاجأة. the party was a nice surprise for me. رح أرجع أقرأ الكلمات. skyscraper, social media, murderer, equipment, surprise. skyscraper, social media, murderer, equipment, surprise. challenge تحدي. It was a big challenge for me to win this competition. competition بمعنى مسابقة. competition. I participated in a reading competition. correct صحيح. correct. she chose the correct choice. hot بمعنى حار. hot. it will be hot today. story قصة. story. he had read an adventure story. رح أرجع أقرأ الكلمات من أول وجديد. challenge, competition, correct, hot, story. challenge, competition, correct, hot, story. queen ملكة. queen. Elizabeth is the queen of UK. Elizabeth is the queen of UK. By the way, UK is United Kingdom. UK هي اختصار ل United Kingdom. fruits فواكه. fruits. he's eating fruits. فواكه. imagine تخيل. imagine if there's no mercy in our world. by the way, mercy is معناها رحمة. imagine if there's no mercy in our world. ocean محيط. they are sailing in the Pacific Ocean. محيط. king ملك. the king of this city is just. queen, fruits, imagine, ocean, king. queen, fruits, imagine, ocean, king. race 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 سباق race. He participates in a running race. He participates in a running race. race. team team بمعنى فريق. team. My favorite team is Real Madrid. My favorite team is Real Madrid. My favorite team is Real Madrid. wool wool بمعنى صوف. wool. My hat is made of wool. My hat is made of wool. gloves 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 قفازات. gloves. She's wearing gloves. She's wearing gloves. glass glass بمعنى كأس. glass. She's drinking a glass of juice. She's drinking a glass of juice. race, team, wool, gloves, glass. race, team, wool, gloves, glass. Thank you.